Hello everybody. So today I'm going to be doing a quick unedited, uncut unboxing of the Canon Eos R5C. Okay, all of these. So yeah, anyways, this is not going to be an in-depth review or anything. It's literally just opening the box and seeing what you get out of the box. So let's see what we got. You get this little sheet, okay? You get this little sheet right here. I really don't even know what this is. Some attention warning, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, you get that. I really don't care about that. You get this one has the serial number for you to be able to register and stuff. And then you get this extend service and warranty and stuff. You get that. And then when you open it, you see the camera. Okay, I'm holding it with I'm holding my other hand with the camera, so I can't really open it, but we're gonna put it to the side and see what else you get in the box. We're gonna see what else you get in the box. So let's put this over there. So let's see what else is in here. Let's take this cardboard out of the way. Is there anything? Yes, there's something within the cardboard. So let's see what else is in there. What is it? So, oh, there's nothing in here. I thought there was something in here. Okay, there's nothing. So let's move this out of the way. Let's put it right over here next to the Ronin RS3. Okay, now there's definitely something under here. Ooh, this is where you get the battery. You get one battery. It's the LPE and what? Anyways, it's this this battery. I can't talk right now. So you get the battery, and then let's put the battery there with the camera. You get the charger. The charger looks pretty well built. Like seriously, I can feel it just by touching it. It's not one of those chargers that easily comes off. Excuse me. That easily comes off, because I own some third-party chargers to my other Canon camera, and those chargers are horrible. Like you can tell when you're holding a quality what do you call chargers, and this feels quality. Excuse my hands being ashy. Okay, and then you get the wire. Wait, what's this wire for? It looks like it's a USB-C to USB-C cable. It's a USB-C to USB-C cable. There's this thing in there. I will be honest with you, I have no idea what this is for. But you get that. And let's see. And then you get the shoulder, whatever. And then you get the manual. So that's what you get in the box, okay? You get the manual, you get that shoulder, I don't know what it's called in English, but you get the shoulder pad or whatever, and you get this USB-C to USB-C cable with that thing, I don't know what that is, and then the charger. Wait, I know what that is. Hold on. No, actually, I will take it back. I don't know what that is. I thought that cable was for this charger here, and it's pretty cool. The charger shows you like what percentage the battery is charging at, which is pretty cool. So you get the charger, the battery, and the camera. Of course, I cannot end this video without showing you the camera itself, so that's what I'm gonna do with one hand. If I drop this camera, I'll be so pissed off. Ooh, look at that! No fingerprints and stuff. This is amazing. This is amazing. I'm seriously so excited to be upgrading to this camera. It's huge investment for me. Damn, my hands are so ashy. I need to put on some lotion. I should have done that before. Sorry, it's taking me a little longer doing this with one hand. Wow. You know what? I'm pretty impressed with how lightweight this camera is. It looks like heavy built and stuff, but to me it somehow feels lightweight. It feels lightweight. At the same time, I'll be honest, some parts of it feel cheaply made, but it's pretty cool. I like it. Okay. So here you go, guys. This is the camera. Okay. This here feels the same as my other camera, which is the Canon 7 Ti, I believe. So yeah, no, this is amazing. This feels pretty good. You guys want to see this? Look at that. My buddy, me and you are gonna capture so many awesome content together, inshallah. So yeah. Okay, so there you have it, boys and girls. That's the Canon wow. R5. I can't believe I'm finally holding this thing. I'm so excited. R5C, inshallah. I'm going to be using this a lot for my business media production, and I'll be building a case. I have the case for there. I have the V mount battery. I bought the control ring mount adapter. I have other things for it. I don't know what this one is exactly. Oh, yeah. Anyways, yeah. I am going to be rigging this thing the life out of it. I bought this memory card for it. I bought a couple of cables for it because I plan on building a, what do you call? And then I also got the 15 to 35 millimeter f2.8 lenses. This one is the one that has the image stabilization. Even though I'm going to be using the Ronin over here, I still wanted to make sure that the lens also has the, you know, image stabilization. And I also got this over here. This light is unbelievable. I'll do its own separate unboxing for it. So yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing to the channel, as I'll be bringing you more unboxing, and as I start to use these things, I'll be doing a follow-up review on the Canon the camera itself. I'll be doing reviews on this buddy over here and a lot of other things. I am a huge camera person. I own my own business, media production company. So there's a lot of equipments that I use a lot, and I want to start doing reviews on them. So please consider subscribing to this channel and supporting me and my journey. With that being said, peace out.